Let's reach up high to catch the clouds. Come on, your tippy toes. Catch the rain clouds and let the rain fall. The rain is falling down. Splash! Catch more clouds on your tippy toes. The rain is falling down. Splash! Peter Patter, the rain is falling down. Splash! The raindrops fall on our hair. Can you shake your hair? You shake the raindrops away. Shake your hair dry. Shake, 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 shake. The raindrops falling onto our eyes. I cannot see anything anymore. Peekaboo. The raindrops falling on our nose. Achoo! The raindrops falling on our lips. Mwah! Blow a kiss. The raindrops falling on our belly. And down our legs, all the way to the toes. And give your head a little shake and shake your hair dry. Good job. Now everyone, what animals like rain? A frog. The frog's not moving because it's trying to catch the bugs. So can you stay still and see if you can hear any bugs fly by? Can you hear that? Is that a mosquito? Let's catch it. A ribbit. And don't move. There's another bug flying by. Can you hear? Is that a fly? Let's catch it. A ribbit. Let's jump some more. Like a frog. Catch more bugs. Ready? A ribbit. A ribbit. A ribbit. Great work. I hope you enjoy this.